Hey friends, this is Randy Dawn and a marathon coach. We're here at the West Palm Show, the big Prevo Expo, and we ran into some dear friends here. This is Tony and Jenny Conder. They bought a coach last year, Coach 1117.
Our first coach.
17. Our first coach.
Our first sale at Marathon.
Yes.
So very, very special to us.
Yes, they are. And here they are again.
Yes.
Just out exploring and seeing what's there, and we convinced them to come on video with us so that you can meet them as well.
Yeah, and what's cool about it, why we want to talk to them, is they live this lifestyle, and you guys aren't waiting to live this lifestyle. You're living it now. So tell us a little bit about what your travels look like. You guys travel a lot during the winter months. So where do you go, and what do you love about this lifestyle?
Well, I think what we like about the lifestyle is it affords us the ability to go where we want to go as long as we want to go, or as short as we want to go. We've all been to lots of places that you don't want to be there a long time. You want to pick up and roll on. You can do that in this lifestyle without hotel reservations or airlines to deal with.
Or cancellation.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
What sort of got us started kind of heading down this road is that she hates to fly, and she likes to travel with pets. And so we've got a couple of furry friends that travel with us all the time.
And what are their names?
Noki and Paisley are
Oh,
their names.
Noki and Paisley.
And so I still work. She does not work. But my business allows me extended amounts of time away, so we can throw the dogs on the bus and throw our clothes on the bus, and we can leave, and we can go a long weekend, or we can go 2 or 3 weeks, and then we kind of go back to our life.
Yeah.
And that's kind of what all started this about 13 or so years
Wow,
ago.
so you guys have been doing it for a while.
You figured it out early.
You figured it
Kids
out
were
early.
little,
Your
and
kids
now
were
they're all
little.
grown.
We had little kids at the time, or we had
We had
intermediate kids. We had
Wow.
high schoolers and a little one. Now the little one's graduated from college and is working for me back at home, and the other ones have careers and are off doing their
And
thing.
babies,
And
and we're
babies
planning
and
on bringing the
grandbabies.
babies and
Awesome.
grandbabies with
Yeah,
us.
Awesome.
so the grandbabies will get to start accompanying us in a couple of years, probably.
Yeah.
So
So just another case where still working, still, but on the road, working from on the road in your bus, which is awesome. And we're hearing more and more of that, where people, they can do what they need to do on the road, and you're a great example of that.
Well, the good news about that is, and I think everybody's still trying to figure out the equation of Wi-Fi all the time wherever they go.
Yes.
I'm not different from that, but with cell service and hotspots and all of those positives that come with that, I'm a very early riser, so I'll get up at 4:30. I've worked 4 hours by the time she gets up.
There you go.
So
Wow,
I've
put in
kind
the
of
time.
knocked out my day and what had to be done, and so then we can go enjoy the day and explore wherever we are,
Yeah.
and see friends, and that's something that should not be discounted from this lifestyle. You will meet the most interesting
Yeah,
people
very
that
true.
you have ever met.
Very much.
It is well worth the time to invest to meet new folks and just walk up and say hi. It's been fantastic for us.
Yeah, it's like a family.
It is.
So you've been in your marathon for a year.
For a year.
Yes.
So, give us just a little bit about what is it that you love about your marathon. What have you enjoyed about your marathon this first year that you guys have been in?
I like the marathon folks. I like everybody involved with the company. I have found them to be very helpful. And to be very accommodating. We live in West Texas. The Dallas store is about 3 hours east of us, and so we can whip into Dallas pretty quickly, and they can take care of small issues.
Yep.
And we can park in their parking lot for the weekend,
Yep.
and then we can go back home.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. The marathon campgrounds. as we call
Marathon
it.
campgrounds is
Yep,
what it's
yep.
known as.
You meet a lot of people there too. So you don't have to come to events. Just go to the parking lot.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
But the service folks in all facilities, we've we haven't been to the one out on the West Coast, out at Coburg years ago, but Dallas was very good. San Antonio here in Florida is very good.
It's good to hear.
Colin, Joe, all the folks over there are very good. So
Good.
there's a lot of comfort in being with all of those folks.
Yeah, it's like a family, and we talk about that all the time. How
We do.
when you buy a marathon coach, you become part of our
Part of the
family, and that's what
family.
Dawn and I love about this
Mhm.
this career that we're in. Is we get to meet people like you,
Yeah.
which we get to see over and over, whether it's here at the West Palm Show or at the different rallies that you guys attend. I mean, we met years ago at some of the POG stuff,
Yeah.
so it's just really great to have you guys part of the marathon family. Thank you so much.
Oh, you bet.
For
Absolutely.
what you're
I hope
doing,
that
being
worked
part of
good.
the marathon
Yeah,
family,
we love
and
it.
coming today to
Love
talk
it.
to
We
us.
love
Yes, and
So good.
you know, become part of the marathon family. Meet the Conders, meet all the other great people who are involved in this lifestyle, and keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.